Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel of AgriBuddy. In this video, we will discuss the question paper of Kerala PSC Soil Conservation Officer 2021. This question paper consists of 100 questions for 100 mark and the time limit it is 75 minutes. So without wasting our time, let's start the discussion. Question number first, the purple white dendrobium variety popular in Kerala. The options are Master Delight, Lemon Glow, Velvet Soft, Sonia 17, and answer is option D, Sonia 17. Question number second, the red seedless watermelon hybrid released from Kerala Agricultural University. The options are Pusa Bedhana, Sugar Baby, Swarna, Shonima, and answer is option D. So Shonima, it is the red seedless watermelon hybrid which was released from Kerala Agricultural University. Next question, question number third, the propagule in gladiolus. The options are corms and cormels, seed, stem cutting, suckers, and answer is option A. So the propagation in case of gladiolus, it takes place with the help of corms and cormels. Question number 4, the oil yield of Jasminum grandifolium. The options are 15.4 kg per hectare, 10.3 kg per hectare, 29 kg per hectare, 40 kg per hectare, and answer is option C. So the oil yield of Jasminum grandifolium, it is 29 kg per hectare. Question number 5th, the double flowered tuberose variety with several whorls of petals, and the options are Srinagar, Suvarna Rekha, Suchitra, Suhasini, and answer is option D. Question number 6th, the common practice to increase the yield in marigold. The options are pinching, girdling, notching, ringing, and answer is option A. So pinching, it is the most common practice which is carried out in marigold to increase the yield. Question number 7, the maturity of papaya fruit in days for papaya extraction. The options are 70 to 100, 50 to 70, 100 to 120, 25 to 50, and answer is option A, 70 to 100 days. Question number 8, the pigment which is imparting the red color in tomato. The options are anthocyanin, lycopene, capsorubin, cryptocapsin, and answer is option B. So lycopene, it is the pigment which is imparting the red color in tomato. Question number 9, one amaranth variety which is resistant to leaf blight. The options are Arun, Krishnashri, Renushri, CO1, and answer is option D. CO1, it is the amaranth variety which is resistant to leaf blight. Next question, question number 10, the minimum number of nuts per tree per annum for selection as a mother plant in coconut. The options are 100, 80, 120, 60, and answer is option B, that is 80. Question number 11, a serious viral disease transmitted by aphids in cardamom. The options are Kate, Azukal, clump rot, leaf blotch, and answer is option A. So Kate, it is a very serious viral disease in cardamom which is transmitted by aphids. Question number 12, the oleoresin contained in dry black paper. The options are 25%, 6 to 10%, 15 to 20%, 10 to 13%, and answer is option D. 10 to 13%, it is the oleoresin contained in dry black paper. Question number 13, two winter season tropical legumes for Kerala. The options are peas and beans, cluster bean and French bean, dolichos bean and winged bean, cowpea and cluster bean, and the correct answer it is option C. So the two winter season tropical legumes for Kerala, it is dolichos bean and winged bean. Question number 14, the most ideal season for tomato cultivation in Kerala. The options are June to July, September to October, February to March, April to May, and answer is option B. So the most ideal season for the tomato cultivation in Kerala, it is September to October. Question number 15. Most widely adapted vegetative propagation technique in guava. The options are grafting, cutting, budding, air layering, and answer is option D. So air layering, it is the most widely accepted or adapted vegetative propagation technique in guava. Question number 16. Phytophthora foot rot resistant paper variety. The options are Karimunda, Balamkota, IISR Shakti, Panyor 4, and answer is option C. Question number 17. The best performing type of coca under Indian condition. The options are Trinitario, Criollo, Forastero, Venme, and answer is option D. So Forastero, it is the best performing type of coca under Indian conditions. Question number 18. 2. Underexploited fruits of high production potential and commercial value under Kerala condition. The options are loquat and lovi, mangosteen and rambutan, breadfruit and lychee. Option D, loquat and lychee, and the correct answer it is option B. So 2. Underexploited fruits of high production potential and commercial value under Kerala condition, it is mangosteen and rambutan. Question number 19. The pineapple variety recommended for commercial cultivation for table purpose. The options are Yellow Newton, Golden Delicious, Q, Mauritius, and answer is option D. So Mauritius, it is the pineapple variety which is recommended for commercial cultivation for table purpose. Question number 20. The growth regulator which is used for the induction of flowering in mango. The options are NAA, IBA, CCC, paclobutrazone, and answer is option D. Next question number 21. The blue flowered tree species is. The options are Jacaranda mimosifolia, Jacobimontia violosia, Petrus volubilis, Citroia ternatia, and answer is option A. Next question number 22. The browning in cauliflower, it is due to the deficiency of. The options are molybdenum, zinc, boron, iron, and answer is option C. So the browning in cauliflower, it takes place due to the deficiency of boron nutrient. Question number 23. The headquarters of National Horticultural Board is in. The options are Gurgaon, New Delhi, Bangalore, Jaipur, and answer is option A. So the headquarters of National Horticultural Board, it is in Gurgaon. Question number 24. Anupama, it is a variety of cowpea, drumstick, okra, oleus, and the correct option it is option B. So Anupama, it is a variety of drumstick. Question number 25. The coconut variety which is preferred for root wilt affected area. The options are Kera Sanghara, Komadan, Chandrashankara, Chandrakalpa, and the correct answer it is option C. Question number 26. F1 hybrid of Solanum melongena. The options are Nilima, Harita, Sweta, Surya, and answer is option A. So Nilima, it is the F1 hybrid of Solanum melongena. Question number 27. A dioecious vegetable. The options are snake gourd, bottle gourd, ivory gourd, beetle gourd, and the correct answer it is option C. Question number 28. Checurmanis, it is botanically. The options are Benincasa hispida, Thalinium triangulare, Sauropus androgynous, Canavalis ensiformis, and the correct answer it is option D. Sauropus androgynous, it is the botanically it is Checurmanisis. Question number 29. Sugandhini, it is a variety of. The options are vetiver, cardamom, ginger, cinnamon, and the correct answer it is option D. It is a variety of cinnamon. Question number 30. The green leaf in grafted cucumber, it is due to. The options are incompatibility between stock and scion, magnesium deficiency, boron deficiency, molybdenum deficiency, and answer is option B, due to the deficiency of magnesium. Question number 31. A vegetable designated as plant insulin. The options are Benincasa sipida, Psyllium elude, Lupha cylindrical, Memodica charentia, and answer is option D. So the vegetable which is designated as a plant insulin, it is Memodica clarentia. Question number 32. Chambakat large, it is a variety of. The options are gooseberry, guava, mandarin orange, chiku, and answer is option A. Question number 33. Sauerkraut, it is prepared from. The options are tomato, French bean, grapes, cabbage, and answer is option D. It is prepared from cabbage. Question number 34. Approximate number of coconut trees that can be accommodated per hectare of land in triangular system of planting. The options are 300, 280, 198, 120, and answer is 198. It is the approximate number of coconut trees that can be accommodated per hectare of land in the triangular system of planting. Question number 35. Gladiolus, it is propagated by. The options are offshoot, corms, suckers, bulb, and answer is option B. It is propagated through corms. Question number 36. The red and gold hybrids, they are the interspecific hybrids of. The options are China aster, marigold, chrysanthemum, dahlia, and answer is option B. It is this both, that is red and gold hybrids, they are the interspecific hybrids of marigold. Question number 37. Clipping and shearing shrubs and small trees into different shapes. The options are terrarium, pruning, tropy, and the last option it is topiary. So the clipping and shearing shrubs and small trees into different shapes, this practice it is called as topiary. Question number 38. Tutti frutti, it is prepared from ashgard, muskmelon, cantaloupe, papaya, and answer is option D. So tutti frutti, it is prepared from papaya. Question number 39. Pseudobulb, they are present in dash orchid. The options are monopodials, sympodials, both, none, and answer is option B. The pseudobulbs, they are present in the sympodal orchids. Question number 40. Tea garden, it is a type of. The options are Japanese garden, Persian garden, English garden, Italian garden. The answer is Japanese garden. So tea garden, it is an example of Japanese garden. Moving towards question number 41. The variety of rice. The options are Nidhi, Uma, Purnima, Keraganga, and answer is option B, Uma. It is a variety of rice. Question number 42. The process by which the undesirable genes or gene combination they are removed from population. The options are hybridization, selection, introduction, mutation, and answer is option B, that is selection. Question number 43. The father of plant genetic resources activities. The options are Gregor Mendel, George Bentham, N.R. Warvillow, Francis Crick, and answer is option C, Warvillow. It is the father of plant genetic resources activities. Question number 44. Cryoprotectant, they are used in the cryopreservation. The options are polyethyl glycol, mustard gas, ethyl methane sulfonate, dimethyl sulfoxide, and the correct answer it is option D, dimethyl sulfoxide. Question number 45. A protogenous plant. The options are orchid, anthurium, brinjal, bajra, and the correct answer it is option D. The protogenous plant from the following option it is bajra. Question number 46. The chemical which is used to induce polyploidy. The options are ethyl methyl sulfonate, colchicine, polyethyl glycol, potassium permanganate, and the correct answer it is option B, colchicine. It is the chemical which is used to induce the polyploidy. Question number 47. The male sterility showing the cytoplasmic inheritance. The options are cytoplasmic genetic male sterility, cytoplasmic male sterility, genetic male sterility incompatibility, and the correct answer is option B. So the male sterility showing cytoplasmic inheritance, it is cytoplasmic male sterility. Question number 48. The headquarters of National Biodiversity Authority. The options are New Delhi, Kerala, Chennai, Calcutta, and the answer is option C. So the headquarters of National Biodiversity Authority, it is in Chennai. Question number 49. A physical mutagen. The options are EMS, MMS, gamma rays, mustard gas, and a physical mutation, it is gamma rays. Question number 50. The removal of immature anther from hermaphrodite flower. The options are emasculation, crossing, tagging, inbreeding, and answer is option A. So emasculation, it is the process through which the removal of immature anther from hermaphrodite flower it is done. Question number 51. The variety of chili which is produced by hybridization. The options are Ujjwala, Jwalamukhi, Kiran, Mukti, and answer is option B. So Jwalamukhi, it is the variety of chili which is produced by hybridization process. Question number 52. Variety of cow B. Bhagyalakshmi, Surya, Shweta, Shribhandra, and correct answer it is option A, Bhagyalakshmi. It is the variety of cowpea. Question number 53. An individual having dissimilar alleles of gene. Options are homozygous, heterozygous, hybrid, albino, and the answer is option B. Here it is wrongly mentioned. Heterozygous, the individual having dissimilar alleles of genes, it is called as heterozygous. Question number 54. The progeny of the breeder seed. The options are nucleus seed, foundation seed, registered seed, certified seed. The progeny of breeder seed, it is foundation seed. Question number 55. The class of seed with no tag. The options are nucleus seed, breeder seed, foundation seed, certified seed, and answer is nucleus seed. It is this seed has no tag. Question number 56. The first GI, that is geographical indication tag product in India. The options are Darjeeling tea, Alan Mula Kandi, Chandarik fabric, Mysore silk, and answer is option A, Darjeeling tea. It was the first geographically indicated tagged product in India. Question number 57. The hybrid progeny from a cross between two single crosses. The options are three-way cross hybrid, double cross hybrid, double top cross, multiple cross, and the answer is option B, that is double cross hybrid. Question number 58. The progeny of a single plant obtained by asexual reproduction. The options are hybrid, cybrid, inbreed, clone, and answer is option D. So the progeny of a single plant which is obtained from asexual reproduction, it is called as clone. Question number 59. The process of bringing wild and weedy species under human management. The options are selection, introduction, domestication, hybridization, and answer is option C, that is domestication. Question number 60. The oldest method of crop improvement. The options are introduction, hybridization, selection, mutation. So introduction, it is the oldest method of crop improvement. Next question, it is question number 61. The food which is given to honeybee larvae which later develops a queen. The options are royal jelly, royal actine, queen substance, nectar, and answer is option A, royal jelly. Question number 62. The mechanism by which the host plant adversely affect the biology of insect and its progeny. The options are antithenosis, tolerance, non-preference, antibiosis, and the answer is option D, that is antibiosis. Question number 63. Bordeaux mixture, it was discovered by. The options are E. F. Smith, Robert Hooke, Tisdale, Millardet, and the answer is Millardet has discovered the Bordeaux mixture. Question number 64. The parasitoid introduced for the management of papaya mealybug. The options are Trichogramma chilonis, Acerophagus papae, Cryptophagus salvinia. Last option, it is Guanis nephatides, and the answer is option B. So the parasitoid which was introduced for the management of papaya mealybug, it is Acerophagus papae. Question number 65. A systematic fungicide. The options are copper oxychloride, copper hydroxide, carbendazim, mancozeb, and the answer is option C, carbendazim. It is a systemic fungicide. Question number 66. The vector of cassava mosaic disease. Options are whitefly, thrips, plant hopper, mealybug, and the answer is option A. So the vector of cassava mosaic disease, it is whitefly. Question number 67. Which among the following it is a total stem parasite? The options are broomrape, witchweed, loranthus, dodder, and the answer is option D. Question number 68. The dead heart symptoms in rice, it is caused by the infestation of. The options are rice leaf folder, brown plant hopper, rice bug, rice stem borer, and the correct answer, it is option D, that is rice stem borer. Question number 69. Bolgard, it is a transgenic cotton which expresses the crystal protein of. The options are Bacillus thuringiensis, Beauveria bassiana, Bacillus popelia, and Metarhizium anisophyli. And the answer is option A, that is Bacillus thuringiensis. Question number 70. Name a fungus which is used in the biological control of plant diseases. The options are Aspergillus, Rhizopus, Trichoderma, Pseudomonas, and the answer is option C, that is Trichoderma. Next question, question number 71. The causal organism of the sheet blight of rice. The options are Salocladium oryzae, Rhizoctonia solani, Dressleria oryzae, Pyricularia oryzae, and the answer is option B, Rhizoctonia solani. Question number 72. The most important biologically active component of neem. The options are rotenone, nicotine, azadiractine, pyrethrum, and the answer is option C, azadiractine. It is the most important biologically active component of neem. Question number 73. The alternate host of Puccinia graminis tritici. The options are wheat, barley, barley, cowpea, and the correct answer, it is option B. Question number 74. Name the viral disease of banana. The options are Moko wilt, bunchy top, Panama wilt, rhizome rot, and the answer is option B. So the most viral disease of banana, it is bunchy top. Question number 75. Buprofezin, it is an insecticide which is belonging to the group. The options are chitin synthesis inhibitor, sclerotization inhibitor, juvenin hormone anagler, anti-juvenin hormone anagler, and answer is option A. Question number 76. The chemical which is used for the communication between individuals of the same species in insects. The options are alamone, pheromone, cinnamon, caramon, and answer is pheromone. Question number 77. Root wilt disease of coconut, it is caused by. The options are virus, fungus, bacteria, phytoplasma, and answer is option D. So the root wilt disease of coconut, it is caused by phytoplasma. Question number 78. An example of acute rodenticide. The options are zinc phosphide, warfarin, methyl bromide metaldehyde, and the correct answer it is option A, zinc phosphide. It is the example of acute rodenticide. Question number 79. Erinium, it is the symptoms caused by the infestation of. The options are thrips, aphids, mites, mealybug, and the correct answer it is option C. It is the symptoms which is caused by the infestation of mites. Question number 80. Cressex symptoms in rice, it is due to. The options are blast, sheet blight, bacterial leaf blight, sheet rot, and answer is option C. So Cressex symptoms in rice, it is due to bacterial leaf blight. Next question, question number 81. The Indian Institute of Sugarcane Research, it is located at. The options are Delhi, Hyderabad, Pune, Lucknow, and answer is option D. So the Indian Institute of Sugarcane Research, it is located at Lucknow. Question number 82. Who wrote the book Elements of Agricultural Chemistry? The options are John Bennett, Sir Humphrey Davy, Charles Darwin, Jethro Tull, and answer is option B. So the Elements of Agricultural Chemistry, this book was wrote by Sir Humphrey Davy. Question number 83. NATP was started in the year. The options are 1990, 1998, 1995, 1993, and answer is option B. So NATP, it was started in the year 1998. Question number 84. The food grain production in India in 2030 to 14. The options are 265.6 metric tons, 245 metric tons, 256.7 metric tons, 205 metric tons, and answer is option A. So the food grain production in India in the year 2013-14, it was 265.6 metric tons. Question number 85. The rudimentary system of settled farming, which includes the cultivation, gathering, and hunting, it is called as. The options are subsistence farming, intensive farming, subsidiary farming, mixed farming, and answer is option C. So the rudimentary system of settled farming, which includes the cultivation, gathering, and hunting, it is called as subsidiary farming. Question number 86. Soil moisture status reaches ultimate wilting point at. The options are -15 bar, -30 bar, -45 bar, -60 bar, and answer is -60 bar. 87 question. The most common method among the surface method of irrigation which is suitable for close growing crop, it is. The options are flooding, basin method, border strip method, check basin method, and answer is option D, check basin method. Question number 88. Which of the following crop have highest water use efficiency? The options are rice, wheat, sorghum, cowpea, and answer is option B, that is wheat. Question number 89. Susceptibility of soil to erosion, it is called as. The options are erosivity, adhesion, erodibility, cohesion, and answer is option C, erodibility. Question number 90. Among the land capability classes, which one has no limitation for growing crops? The options are class 8, class 1, class 5, class 2, and the correct answer is option B, class 1 has no limitation for growing crops. Question number 91. Are manifestation of prolonged process of gully erosion, ravines, landslides, sleet erosion, rill erosion, and answer is ravines. They are the manifestation of prolonged process of gully erosion. Question number 92. Dash percentage of India's geographical area, it is subjected to degradation, and answer is option A, that is 53% of India's geographical area, it is subjected to degradation. Question number 93. First step of movement of soil particles in wind erosion. The options are surface creep, saltation, suspension, sheet erosion, and answer is option B. The first step of movement of soil particles in wind erosion, it is saltation. 94. The spacing of hybrid Napier as a pure crop in Kerala. The options are 60 into 30 centimeter, 50 into 50 centimeter, 60 into 60 centimeter, and the last option it is 60 into 50 centimeter. The answer is option C. So the spacing of hybrid Napier as a pure crop in Kerala, it is 60 into 60 centimeter. Next question, question number 95. So growing two or more crops simultaneously in intermingled without any row pattern, it is called as. The options are intercropping, sequence cropping, relay cropping, mixed cropping, and the answer is option D, that is mixed cropping. In case of mixed cropping, we are growing two or more crops simultaneously without any fixed row pattern. Question number 96. The sum of area planted to different crops and harvested in a single year divided by the total cultivated area expressed as a percentage is. Options are cropping intensity index, relative yield total, land equivalent ratio, multiple cropping index, and the answer is option D, that is multiple cropping index. Question number 97. The Johansen grass is. The options are Sorghum halpens, Chinopodium album, Irconia crapsis, Sanadon dactylon, and the Johansen grass it is Sorghum halpens. Question number 98. The ratio of evapotranspiration of crop to potential evapotranspiration is. The options are plant coefficient, IW upon CPE ratio, pan coefficient, crop coefficient, and the answer is option D, that is crop coefficient. Question number 99. 1 cubic meter of water is. The answer is 1000 liter. So 1 cubic meter of water is equal to 1000 liters. Moving towards question number 100, the last question. The normal irrigation water has boron content of dash ppm. The options are less than 2, less than 5, less than 3, less than 10, and answer is option C, that is it has less than 3 boron content in ppm. So friends, this was all about the question paper of Kerala PSC Soil Conservation Officer 2021. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel, like and share on this video. Thank you.